Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back, crypto lovers. It's jacobcrypobury here. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be staying in the bear market, uploading daily videos, looking for key opportunities, what we can dollar cost average for the bear market, and how we can potentially find some gems for the future. So subscribe if you're new, guys, and thank you very much to all existing subs. So we're going to look at KADENA today. Of course, the market is being pulled down by the horrible, catastrophic Terra Luna event, and I feel awful for the amount of people that are losing money. I know a lot of people that have lost thousands of dollars just because of the event. Now, straight off the bat, KADENA looks extremely weak. I do just see continuation to the downside for now, especially with these lower highs, the continuation to the downside, and the fact that we lost this key support levels over here at $4.38 and $3.44, and the reason they were so important is because of this swing low here on the 22nd of January 2022, but also because of the swing low on the 30th of April that we lost that bounce. So we're looking pretty weak, and we've also lost some key levels from all the way back in 2021 over here. So I think that's also another thing to look at. It's very bad. So we need to see the price bottom in. We are extremely oversold on the RSI, looking at the daily time frame. So let's hop over to the 4 hour and have a look at what happened back in 2021 before the actual massive uptrend. So you can see we had this 81% correction, and this particular correction, or this accumulation phase, lasted for 120 days, and then that's where we saw the impulse to the upside, followed by this massive rally, as we can see, all the way to like $30. And at the moment, ever since, it's just been one huge downtrend. If we go Fibonacci retracement, you can see that we're coming below the 0.786 now. So it does look like we're effectively perhaps getting a price bottom, in. If we can price in a bottom, that would be absolutely fantastic. So as we speak, we're 95% down, which is a massive reduction. Now, yeah, it's easy to be bearish when you look at this particular data. Why wouldn't you be? But if you were buying up here, why would you not be buying down here? So the way I see it is, I'm not going to get bullish until firstly we break $2.50, as well as the resistance over here at $3.50, and I'd like to see at least some sort of retest of this particular diagonal resistance that we've got around $3.50. So that would be very key to see that happen. But I think first things first is that we need a long time. We need a lot of time trading kind of like this, up and down in this sort of accumulation range, maybe even through to like 2024, just lots of up and down before we start seeing the pump to the upside. I think it needs to look like that. Otherwise, right now, the trajectory is just bearish for this particular project. And even if it takes 100 days, 100 days or 200 or even 1,000 days, we need to trade sideways, I think, in this accumulation range at these lower price levels. And when we do get a pump again in the future, that's when we can start looking at the next bull cycle targets, such as like $35, $39, $44, so on. If the project is one that will stay with us, if they've got the cash reserve to keep the project going, if it's got enough utility for people to want to have reason to invest in, I think this can be a project that will certainly stay with us. But right now, everything is looking extremely bearish, guys, extremely bearish. I also just want to say, if you're new here, make sure you hop over to my Twitter channel and basically enter this giveaway. It's a $100 giveaway. You've got 2 weeks left until I announce a winner. You must subscribe to the channel as well, and also hop into the Discord if you would like to get an extra entry on that. You'll get 2 times entries just for being in the Discord channel. Now we're going to have a little look at the BLX chart. This is probably my favorite chart in the entire space of cryptocurrency. And why? Because it shows us every single market cycle, top to bottom. We've got the correction data, 85%, 85%. I like how both of these cycles were 85% corrections. So far, we've only actually seen a 59% correction for Bitcoin. So one could assume we might come lower. If we came down 85%, which I don't think we will, we'll be looking at a $10,000 Bitcoin. If we come back down to the 200 moving average, 200 week moving average, which I think we will, we'll be looking at about 70% correction from market cycle top. So that's another thing to potentially have a look at, and also understand that there is a lot of downside potential still for Bitcoin. So we can see more continuation to the downside. If you are looking to grab more of that bitty coin, by the way, bit by bit, of course, you can just use my link down below and head on over there. I think you'll really like what we see with a long-term investment strategy, which is so much better than trying to get rich tomorrow or next week or next month. So it's all about accumulating over time and holding through the bearish phases. We've also got extreme fear in the market, which does present usually good buying opportunity, though right now we might see more downside. So hold fire, but at least create an account using my link, and make sure you've got that created so you're ready when you're ready to take the plunge and when the timing is more impeccable, I suppose. I also just wanted to show you a really cool altcoin project that I'm actually eyeing up on at the moment. It's deficoins.io. Make sure you head on over, do a bit of research. It's a low market cap gem, but it's one that has not had a chance to pump yet. Usually a lot of altcoins pump and they don't recover even in the next bull market, just because it's lost traction, network growth, and the euphoria has already been expired. It's already had its blow off top. With this particular project here, DeFi Swap, it's an algorithmic trading platform. You've got nice staking opportunities as well as a decentralized exchange. This one is definitely on my radar. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Do subscribe to the channel, do comment, do like. See you soon.